So, I hear you are interested in working for me?
Yes, I would love to.
Do you even have what it takes?
What do you mean?
I mean, look at you. Then look at me.
A bit rude, don't you think?
Whatever. Anyways, are you happy with getting paid $3.99 an hour?
I mean, sure, money is money.
And also don't get overtime and have to work at least 60 hours a week or I will fire you. Do you even have what it takes?
Can you please stop insulting me? I am a very hard worker.
Hey, don't give me attitude, or I will fire you.
I'm sorry.
Start at 1 a.m. tomorrow or you're fired.
Guess I got to tell my co-worker their shift is over.
Wow, howdy partner, are you the new worker?
Yes, anyways it's your time to go home.
Oh, finally. I thought this shift would never end. Oh, by the way, be careful.
Why? Gotta do some tasks.
Hello, boyfriend.
Oh my god, you scared the hell out of me.
I missed you and wanted to see you. Do you have a problem with that?
I am glad to see you, but you cannot scare me like that.
OMG, we are so done.
The boss gave me some tasks to do. I have some tasks to do.
Hello, sir. I am here to buy this.
Wait. Do I know you from somewhere?
No, please stop harassing me, and let me buy my beanie.
Okay dude, chill.
Whatever.
These damn rats, let me get rid of them. The boss gave me some tasks to do.
Hello, sir. This is the Old York PD. We would like to know if you have seen a man by the name of John.
Yes, he came in not that long ago to buy a beanie. Why?
The reason is because he has murdered 39 people in the past 24 hours, and we have reason to believe you will be his 40th victim.
Oh my god, what do I do? I am scared, help me.
Stay calm. I need to get a donut, but give me a call if he happens to swing by.
What was that noise? Oh my God. I have to escape into the woods on my right. Where am I? What's that noise?
Save the leg for me. You can eat the feet though. They are gross.